With AWS Analytics applications, I can get started right away with a quick setup, just like that. And it doesn't take too long to learn and test a feature or even use a service.
Any customer that I talk to wants to use machine learning in their space. Now, with AWS services, democratizing the machine learning, let it be using a SQL, without having to know any machine learning constructs, is truly amazing.
And this analytics program provides customers with quick and efficient way to consume useful information for their day-to-day needs.
Velocity, variety, volumes are evolving extremely fast.
You can consume and process all types of data with ease, talk to your data, get answers using QuickSight Q. You can get insights from data with zero to minimal code using services like Glue Studio and Glue Data Brew.
That result in changing in a data integration requirement. That is where we are innovating on behalf of customers.
Most of these scenarios call for some very innovative and cost-effective ways of dealing with data analysis.
It's a continuously evolving ecosystem of services, expanding into machine learning and AI. So we are definitely bound to make meaningful impact in lives.